3, 2, 1, start. The President of the Asian Development Bank ADB, visited the Benazir Income Support Program BISP Tehsil office in Taxila to observe its initiatives aimed at providing cash assistance, supporting enrollment in schools and maternal and child health in the country. Full stop. During the visit to the BISP Tehsil office in Taxila and the Benazir Nashanuma Center at Wah General Hospital, the ADB President was briefed on BISP's programs and their impact on the education, health and well-being of the poorest households. Full stop. The ADB delegation comprised Chief Advisor to the President, Director General, Senior Advisor to the President, and others. Full stop. BISP Director General briefed the delegation on different programs of the social protection system. Full stop. New para. The briefing covered BISP's key initiatives such as Benazir Kafalat, Talimi Wazaif, Nashanuma, and the undergraduate scholarship program. Full stop. At the Tehsil office of Taxila and Nashanuma Facilitation Center in Wah General Hospital, the ADB team interacted with beneficiaries and observed the registration process for the National Socio-Economic Registry, the Talimi Wazaif and Nashanuma programs. Full stop. Around the world, financial services professionals, particularly some variety of bankers, are known for their haughtiness. Full stop. Prestigious schools, inhumanly rigorous training as analysts, and partying at expensive clubs and yachts all help build that reputation. Full stop. But the fact that they handle and allocate so much capital at least somewhat justifies it. Full stop. New para. The same arrogance found its way through the local bankers. Full stop. Though banking has always been a lucrative business, in part due to a fiscally indisciplined government, the last few years have been unbelievable for the industry. Full stop. Imagine growing at high double digits when you have a base in trillions, all while maintaining great margins. Full stop. It was almost like the wisdom we hear about software as a service companies. Full stop. Between fiscal year 2021 and fiscal year 2024, the asset base of Pakistan's banking has ballooned by rupees 23.5 trillion to reach rupees 51.7 trillion on average year-on-year growth rate of 22.3% each quarter. Full stop. The composition of liabilities was a lot more interesting, with deposits increasing by a comparatively lower rupees 10.1 trillion between fiscal year 21 and fiscal year 24. Full stop. The end.